Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to recover your data from the C drive if your Windows is corrupted. So you want to install the new Windows, but you want to transfer your data also. So you don't want to delete your data. So as you can see, I have a laptop here with the Windows drive, a USB drive. So first of all, I will boot from the USB that you have Windows in this, and you will see here I will boot from the USB storage. It will take just few minutes to boot up. I will pause the video till Windows this setup comes up. This is you can do also without installing, without having USB drive of the Windows. If you don't have, you can also just turn on your laptop, and you can go to the repairing section. As you can see, simply click on next, and do not click on this. You have to click on repair your computer, and now you will see here continue use a device, and click on troubleshoot. Now here you will see some options, but you have to click on command prompt. Now here you have to write just small notepad.exe, and you will see we have notepad here opened. Now click on the file and click on open, and go to your computer and your C drive, your users, your check your username, and then desktop. And you can see I can see some of the folders showing on the desktop, but not all files are showing. So what you have to do is just come here in the down the section, file type, click on all files, and you can see all the files. Now go back to your desktop. Now, there are a few types of data collecting. As you can see, we have music here. Now, with this option, you can copy and paste only one by one. But there is another method that if you click on the cut, right click on that, and just simply right click on the desktop and click on the paste, and one by one you have to transfer your folders from here to the desktop. And in the end, you can simply copy, and then you can go to the PC and your D drive or C drive, wherever you want to copy, and simply click on the paste. And it will as you can see, we have pasted, but it is not showing. But if you right click on that and click on refresh, and you will see your favorites are here. So this is the easiest method to recover your data from the corrupted Windows that not working. And you can easily copy all your data, and after that you can format your system. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.